Everything about melasma that you should know, the good, the bad, and natural. Home remedies for melasma. If you conduct a quick online search, dozens of DIY treatments for melasma pigmentation will surface. Which ones are effective? Which ones don't? The solution is more complicated than it first appears. A treatment's efficacy has not been established by science if it hasn't been investigated in a clinical study. It's possible that the treatment hasn't been well explored yet, but it doesn't imply it doesn't work. One of these anecdotal remedies might be effective for you. Now, let's talk about some of these popular home remedies for melasma. The good. Turmeric. These days, turmeric appears to be present in everything from tea to face washes, and for good cause. Actually, there is some scientific evidence supporting the beneficial effects of curcumin, one of turmeric's main constituents, on skin health. In addition to being an antioxidant and antimutagen, curcumin also exhibits anti-inflammatory and UV protection characteristics, BINIC. According to one study, curcumin reduced the formation of melanin and tyrosinase, two factors that lead to melasma, (LE). Curcumin has been shown in another study to have antioxidant qualities and the ability to lessen hyperpigmentation, Sugiharto. In spite of these preliminary investigations, more investigation is required to ascertain the dosage, mode of application, and side effects. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel has potential benefits for treating melasma in addition to sunburns. Aloe vera has numerous therapeutic benefits, as shown by early clinical trials. However, these have not yet been thoroughly investigated, Surjesh. In one trial, melasma in pregnant women with minimal side effects was improved by topical administration of liposome-encapsulated aloe vera, Gafarzada. Aloe vera has inherent anti-inflammatory and UV protective properties, making it a potential supplementary therapy for conventional medical conditions. Aloe vera also has a built-in hydrating property. Aloe vera helps assist rehydrate your skin because some melasma treatments dry out your skin. Polypodium leucotomos. Although Polypodium leucotomos sounds like a weird creature from science fiction, it's simply a tropical fern that offers melasma patients another effective alternative therapy option. P. leucotomos extract possesses both antioxidant and photoprotective properties, which are beneficial in lightening dark skin spots. According to one study, after receiving oral P. leucotomos for 12 weeks, patients' MASI, melasma area and severity index, scores and melasma appearance improved, Nestor. P. leucotomos was also discovered to be an advantageous adjuvant therapy when used in conjunction with topical hydroquinone treatment and sunscreen, Chileak. Few side effects were recorded by study participants, suggesting that this possible treatment is both safe and effective. The bad. Apple cider vinegar. Some people swear by the benefits of using apple cider on a regular basis for immune system support, digestive health, and numerous other health advantages, and it is sometimes considered a panacea. Some people also think that apple cider vinegar can be used to cure melasma. Using apple cider vinegar as a bleaching agent is the theory behind using it for dark spots on the skin. The majority of websites advise applying apple cider vinegar to your skin's hyperpigmented regions after diluting it 1:1 with water. The amount of time varies from until the cider vinegar is dry to more than 20 minutes, at which point the cider vinegar is cleaned with water. You should repeat this therapy once a day, until you get the desired results. Does melasma genuinely get better with apple cider vinegar? Since this holistic approach hasn't been researched yet, it's unclear. Any anecdotal proof of this treatment's efficacy that you come across is due to the dearth of scientific trials. According to the findings of two different investigations, many patients who used apple cider vinegar as a treatment for dermatitis and mole removal also reported burns and other skin harm, Lou Feldstein. It might be preferable to forego this treatment because skin irritation exacerbates melasma. Lemon juice. The concept of using lemon juice and apple cider vinegar to treat melasma is comparable. Numerous websites advise applying lemon juice to any black spots on your skin, letting it dry, and then washing it off with water. Because lemon juice is a bleaching agent, it is said to lighten skin. Although using lemon juice to brighten laundry is a common do-it-yourself method, your skin isn't your favorite shirt. Lemon's acidity can be rough on the skin and cause irritation, which can exacerbate melasma, much like apple cider vinegar. The usefulness of lemon juice as a remedy has not been studied, therefore it's unclear if it will benefit or hinder your quest for a clear complexion. But this procedure might be too hard on your skin and end up doing more harm than good. The natural. In order to respond to this question, we must first define natural in the context of skincare products. Due to the ambiguous nature of this term, many businesses and products refer to prescription pharmaceuticals as unnatural, while simultaneously marketing their own unproven and unregulated treatments as natural substitutes. Many of the most widely used medications in the cosmetics industry are, in fact, natural, if by natural we mean that they originate from anything in nature. At Kirsch Dermatology, we support the use of these naturally occurring substances for their well-researched medicinal benefits. To ensure that the natural ingredients in your medication remain stable and safe for consumption, additional ingredients are added. Common skin-fading chemicals like hydroquinone and azelaic acid are derived from the wax made by some bee species and yeast, respectively. We also include adapalene, a biologically active type of vitamin A, in our specially made formulations. This component functions by encouraging skin exfoliation and inhibiting the transfer of pigment between skin cells. It expedites the resolution of black spots on the skin with these two acts. One of the active chemicals in Kirsch Dermatology, ascorbic acid, is a naturally occurring water-soluble vitamin that is also known as vitamin C. It is an essential component of our prescription melasma cream that is powered by nature and also plays a major function in preventing the skin from producing more pigment. Last words. The best way to prevent the beginning or worsening of skin pigmentation is to limit your sun exposure, regardless of the type of therapy you choose for melasma. We advise employing physical barriers to prevent sun exposure, such as protective clothing and sun umbrellas, remaining indoors or undercover during the hours of peak UV exposure, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., and applying sunscreen that is physically formulated with zinc or titanium. Using a melasma cream with prescription strength is an additional excellent method to aid you get back to your glowing skin. A board-certified dermatologist or a collection of innovative businesses can assist with customized formulas that are delivered right to your door or to a nearby pharmacy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.